Hi, I'm Tim and I'm a chippy by trade, but today I'm here working with my Sparky to install and review some downlights. Let's get into it. We've installed the HPM 90mm 7-watt tricolour LED downlights throughout this home. Basically, these are the next generation smart LED downlights that can be controlled with a remote control or app on your phone. I have a lot of clients these days requesting smart lighting, and these are a great option. They've got 6 colour temperature settings from cool to warm and everything in between. They can also be controlled individually or in groups, all through the app. Each light comes with a screwless terminal cover, which means it's great for hardwired connections. It's Ip44 Rated, which means it's great for outdoor undercover areas like alfrescos and pergolas. So there you have it. Me and my Sparky give these LED downlights the tick of approval. They're also a great item to recommend or install on your next project. Thanks for watching, and make sure you jump on and check out some of our other video reviews.